All right, good morning. It's a beautiful day, not too cold, just a little chilly. Welcome. Thank you so much for making it over here today for the Estate and Legacy Planning Seminar. Wills, Trust, and Appetizers. How to keep your, not to, how to avoid the three biggest mistakes in estate planning. And we also learn how to keep your families and loved ones out of quarrels and out of conflict in the event of incapacity or death. My name is Jumoke Oladapo. Thank you so much. I'm your trusted estate planning attorney. We work with Ivy Law Office. We're located at 6305 Ivy Lane, just like opposite this building, Suite 605. We practice both immigration law and estate planning. And for our estate planning clients, our goal is to be able to keep them and their families out of court and out of conflict in the event of incapacity or death through proper estate planning. We're going to be here for about 2 hours, so please, and we're going to be here for about 2 hours. So the best way to make the use of your time is this. Can you please turn off your cell phone or put your phones on silent? You deserve this time for yourself and also for your loved ones. All right. So a few housekeeping. So sorry that we have just chairs and not tables. It's a little uncomfortable today, but you know, things happen and life happens. So, well, you have some um, folders with you. Today's going to be an educative session. In the folder, we have a notepad, we have pens, we have orange sheet, not orange this time around, green worksheet, and we're going to be discussing. Some people will be asking questions and all that. So when you have an opportunity to speak, an opportunity to ask a question, please don't give too personal information because we are recording on YouTube Live. Okay, so it's going online somehow. Don't ask too personal questions. All right. Also, this forum does not create an attorney-client relationship. So uh, until you sign those dotted lines that says I retain you as my attorney, that's when you become a formal client. Okay. And at the end of the session, we will answer all questions. So you can write or jot down your questions so that we can move as fast as possible. What I've realized is that when I'm interjected in between, it prolongs the time that we'll be here. But we want to respect your time today. So jot down your questions as we go along, and we'll take all questions at the end. Please fill out your green worksheet. This is a very important piece of paper. The first section, please put your name and information. Everything you put on this sheet is going to be confidential. It's going to be a walk-in document today. So as we go along during the session, I'll ask you some questions in the second column, like I want to keep my family out of court. If that resonates with you, please check that box. And you'll check the box. Or like, I would like to nominate guardians for my children. If that resonates with you, check the box, then you check the box. Also, next steps, there will be, like, we'll be inviting you at the end of the day to stay to, first of all, please stay to the end. We're going to have an opportunity to give you what we call a golden ticket. We'll invite you to submit this back, and also we'll be giving an invitation for you to schedule what we call a family wealth planning session or a follow-up appointment, or if you want to be part of those receiving our e-newsletters, or if you'd like to have a copy of our ebook, we're Click on the Way. So you'll check the third box, which is about the next section. If you'd like to give us any form of feedback, like how else can we serve you, or any comments about the workshop, you fill it out. When you submit this green paper at the end to our staff, you're gonna get the golden tickets. All right. And the golden ticket is has a total value of $1,000, $750 towards the family wealth planning session, just to say thank you to you for coming and also submitting the green sheet. It's going to give you a 2 hour exclusive meeting to discuss with you about you and your family and loved ones. It's a complimentary 2 hour meeting with the attorney. And also, this will give you like, I'll say a $20 consultation fee. All right. Because you're going to schedule your meeting with $20. And when you schedule that meeting, you're going to get another ticket, another certificate for $250 that you can use towards any service, whether a trust or a will plan that you choose to do with us when you engage your services. So we're saying thank you this way. Also, when you submit your green piece of paper and schedule, we'll give you what we have as a digital asset checklist. I think a lot of us may like this. And if you have a lot of accounts with usernames and passwords, can you show? So maybe you have 10 or 50, you know, a lot of people don't know that part of planning is having their things properly organized so that your usernames or password are not lost. So we created this so that people can be organized that way with their digital assets. So we're going to give it to you as well at the end. So please stay tuned so that you'll make the best use of our time together and also be able to catch up on our gifts. Going back to a little about us, Ivy Law Office, we have been serving our community for about 13 years, both with immigration law and estate planning. And we've been able to help thousands of people. And that's our joy when we see someone or a family help and we're able to help them probably avoid probate or resolve an issue or get a legal stay in the United States. It brings us so much joy. And for the work we do, we've been recognized in numerous ways. So we've been named lawyers of distinction, 10 best attorneys in Maryland for immigration. We have a lot of Google reviews, 5-star reviews on Google. Our top attorney, and for estate planning, we are specifically licensed as personal family lawyers to serve our clients in special ways. So we're not just like a traditional general attorney for estate planning. We serve you with class. We serve you comprehensively, not just giving you a document, but creating a relationship with you over time so that your plan will work when it's needed. So my why is about my family. At the end of the day, when you put a plan together, it's not just for you only, it's because of the people you love, so that you will avoid or they will avoid the messes created by people that don't put plans in place. So you're doing this not only for yourself, you're doing it for your loved ones, okay? And this is our team. Um, we have Attorney Will, myself, Miss Moji, Miss Taya, and Miss Princess. We all work together to serve our clients with excellence. And one thing that our office prides about is quality legal representation and excellence in customer clients. They call it client services. So and we can stand by our words. A lot of people that come our way, are able to say thank you. And that's what we really love that. And we'll hope that one day we will be able to have you as our clients and you'll be able to say thank you for helping us. Alrighty, so a question I have for you today is, do you currently have an estate plan in place? No? Do you know about it? How many people know about a will, a trust, a power of attorney? We know about these things. So If it's a no, can you raise your hand? Do you have a plan in place? No. All right. Do you have? Thank you. If not, why not? Is it because you've been too busy and pushing it to another date and another date? That happens. You're not alone, you know. Or is it because you think you're too young and it's for the old people? That's another reason that people don't put plans in place on time. Or maybe you just feel this is expensive, maybe too expensive. Could it be that? Could be. So all these reasons are viable reasons, but we can overcome them. And you've taken a good step forward today, coming over here because we've given you an opportunity to not only learn more, but to be able to take a next step towards setting something in place. And if you have a plan, can you raise your hand if you've done some legal documents related to estate plans before? Can you raise your hand? You've looked into it. That's good. So some people are here for more, reasons, like maybe to get a better understanding about all those things that we're going to talk about. Is that so? Yeah. Or maybe you did something online or you checked, online, like on LegalZoom before, and somebody said, I'm in our, you know, or maybe you did a plan a very long time ago and it may have been outdated. Do you understand? So you could be here for a lot of reasons. If I did not cover any of your reasons today, can you just you know, shout your reason out so that I'll be able to relate on the same level with you? Any other reason that you've not had your pet plans in place? None. Okay. So let me ask. I welcomed everybody, but I didn't remember to ask how you found out about the seminar. Okay. We invited people in numerous, in various ways. So I want to check out, which one is working. So if you got a mailer, a direct mail, that brown, did you get one? Okay, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Thank you so much for honoring that invitation. If you found us on Facebook or found the invitation, thank you. Thank you for coming. If you found us through e-newsletters, nobody. Maybe someone invited you. Thank you for coming. Thank you. Which other way? Anyway, if I've not mentioned how you came, any other way, thank you, everybody. We appreciate you for honoring this invitation, and we hope that you'll learn so much that's going to be worth your time. So, why are you here today? Can you shout out why you're here today? Trust. Phil. Advanced directive. Okay. So, what else?
All of them.
All of them. Okay. So I want to tell you some of the reasons why I want to make sure that you're here for the right reasons. Okay. So did you come here to have the total assurance of knowing that your family will be well taken care of and they'll know how to take care of you in the event of incapacity or death? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Did you come here for the peace of mind of knowing what will happen to your assets after you're gone? Yes? All righty. What did you say? Nothing. So did you hear to learn how maybe you can save some of your dollars and money from being taken by IRS for estate taxes and to save and preserve some of your family's money? Probably. All right.